So welcome to today's video. I'm giving you guys a full tour and a walkthrough of Park Plaza Victoria Hotel here in Amsterdam, and it's just opposite Central Station. When you're walking to the hotel, you might see a building there with the sign saying Park Plaza Victoria, but the entrance is just to the left in this building. So here we are just walking into the hotel. There is a set of stairs which you do need to go up to get to reception. The concierge team are right there, so they'll help you out if you need some help with your bags. And over here to the left is like a small seating area. There's a few chairs you can sit on. And just to the right here you can get some water as a refreshment. They have apples too. But then back here, this is the reception area. So here's where you'll need to go just to check in or check out if you are leaving the hotel. Let's have a look over here. So this is that seating area that I mentioned. There's really nice lighting here as well. I think the decoration when you enter the hotel is fantastic. It definitely seems very premium. But now let's go and check out the room that I stayed in. So we're gonna have to take the elevator to But let's go ahead and check out the room that I stayed in. So we're going to walk to the room. We're going to have to take the elevator to the first floor, and then from here you can take the stairs if you want to, but the elevator is like one of those glass elevators, which is really cool. And then to get to the hotel room that I stayed in, you have to kind of walk through a kind of corridor and go to the building across in order to take another elevator to get to the room. I don't think it's like this for every room. It depends which one you're allocated, but for my room I had to cross this hallway and get to these elevators and get to my room this way. So I stayed on the 4th floor. I stayed in room 460. There's an ice machine right next to my room. Let's go inside and check out the room that I stayed in. It's quite a spacious room. The bed is quite large as well. It's like a king-size bed. There's a large TV over here. Underneath the TV there's a desk. There's a UK plug socket in addition to the EU plug sockets, so I didn't need to use my adapter. This is a small guide to the hotel and to Amsterdam. I like this really large mirror here. It definitely makes the room feel like it's a lot larger than it is. Then we have like a bedside table. We have a Samsung TV. This is the tea and coffee area, so they've provided us with a kettle. Plenty of tea bags, coffees, there's coffee pods there as well. We have a nice coffee machine here too. That's a Nespresso coffee machine. And really wide glasses. They feel like they're good quality. And above here there's a bucket for ice, there's 2 wine glasses and some more mugs just there. Underneath we have a small mini fridge, stocked with lots of drinks, which you do need to pay for if you do consume any of these. Above there's some more snacks. And here is the closet space. So there is an iron, a hairdryer, a safe, and also an ironing board here. It's quite a large wardrobe. There's plenty of space there for you to hang your clothes. I'm not sure about the brand of the hairdryer and iron, but there you go. And there's some drawer space too as well. So there's a kind of laundry bag there if you wanted to do your laundry. Let's have a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is nicely sized. We have more glasses there. They've given us some towels, like small hand towels, a box of tissues. The soap there is by a company called Esper. And over here this is the shower area, which is also quite large as well, quite spacious. Again, the shower gel and shampoo is by Esper. Now let's take a look at the view from the room, so let's have a look outside. I did stay in this hotel once before and I had a view of like Central Station. The view here is more to the back of the building. It is nice because you can see some of the traditionally Dutch style buildings there, so that is nice. But they do have rooms where you have views of Central Station. Now we're going to look at the breakfast that the hotel offers. So they do offer a buffet style breakfast, and I really like the breakfast hall area. The whole restaurant looks very nice. You can see it's really nicely designed. There's lots of greenery and plants around, but let me show you what is on offer for breakfast. So I hope you liked the look of that breakfast. In terms of other facilities that the hotel has its own bar called Vic's Bar. The bar is quite busy throughout the day. I managed to get some shots inside. The vibe of Vic's Bar is a lot nicer at night time, which you can see here. with the lighting, and the ambience is really nice. And the hotel also has its own spa and wellness area, which is located in the basement. So let's check that area out. There is a small pool here. There's like blue neon lights throughout the whole area, which looks beautiful. There's a really nice ambience around, and if you walk upstairs there is like a massage room. There's an area here where you can have a seat and look over into the pool area. And there's also a gym located here too. So here is the gym. Let's have a look inside. So that's pretty much everything for this hotel. You can see how close it is to the central station. If you have any questions about this hotel, leave a comment in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.